If you're seeing a OneDrive unexpected error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually comes from a temporary sync glitch, a corrupted cache, a stuck cloud process, or a connection problem between your device and OneDrive. The good news is that you can usually solve it without losing your files or making major changes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first fix is to unlink and relink OneDrive. This is one of the most effective ways to refresh the connection. On Windows, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. If you're on a Mac, check the menu bar. Click the icon, then open the gear icon or settings menu. From there, go into Settings, and then open the Account tab. You should see an option that says Unlink this PC. Click that option and confirm it. This does not delete your files from the cloud. It simply disconnects the device from your OneDrive account. After that, restart OneDrive if needed and sign back in with the same Microsoft account. This fresh sign-in can often clear the unexpected error immediately. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to reset the OneDrive app. This is useful when the app itself is stuck or one of its background processes is frozen. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type the OneDrive reset command and press enter. In many cases, OneDrive will close, reset itself, and then restart automatically after a short moment. You may see the cloud icon disappear and come back again. Give it a minute or two to fully reload. Once it returns, check whether the unexpected error is gone and whether syncing has resumed normally. Another great fix is to pause and resume syncing. Sometimes one file gets stuck and blocks everything else. To test this, click the OneDrive icon again, open the Settings or Gear menu, and choose Pause Syncing. If possible, select a short pause like 2 hours. Wait a few minutes so the app can clear any temporary hangups, then go back and click Resume Syncing. This simple refresh can help OneDrive re-establish a clean sync session and move past the error. You should also check OneDrive Online. This step helps you figure out whether the problem is only on your device or if it is related to your account or Microsoft servers. Open your browser and sign in to OneDrive on the web. If your files load normally online, then the issue is probably local to the desktop app. If you notice problems there too, the issue may be broader and may require waiting a little while or checking your Microsoft account status. This is a smart step because it helps you avoid troubleshooting the wrong part of the system. If the error still appears, take a moment to restart your computer. A full restart can clear temporary system conflicts, refresh file sync services, and remove small background glitches that build up over time. After restarting, open OneDrive again and see if the sync error is gone. In many cases, combining a restart with a reset or relink fixes the problem completely. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. OneDrive depends on a reliable connection, so a weak Wi-Fi signal, VPN issue, or network interruption can trigger unexpected errors. If needed, switch networks, disconnect from VPN temporarily, or test another connection to see if syncing improves. It's a small check, but it can make a big difference. So to recap, if OneDrive shows an unexpected error, start by unlinking and relinking your account. Then try resetting the app, pausing and resuming sync, and checking OneDrive Online. If needed, restart your device and verify your internet connection as well. These steps solve most OneDrive unexpected error issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.